You can't find it in any lot, honey. Hey everyone, I'm Quinn, as Louis was kind enough to mention. So we're going to have the costume contest. If I can have everybody lined up in front here. We have quite a few prizes tonight. We have 10 prizes. So, you know, lots of folks will be getting. How many do we have? We got prizes for everyone! Yay! So the way it's going to work is I'm going to come down there and I'm going to ask you your name and what costume you're wearing, and you can tell us anything you like about it and be adorable for the adorable folks out there and be scary for the scary folks. Someone's trying to get this microphone down there. Ooh, cordless. Oh, I love technology.
Just shout, kid.
I'll just yell.